Hey guys, this is Lamptey, and guess who came by? So that is Khophi. He's actually going to have some sort of tutorial session with me on how to fly a drone. This is my first time ever going to try flying a drone, so let's see how it goes. Right. Okay, so finally here with Khophi. He's parking his motorbike, and we are going to test my drone for the first time. So yeah, kind of having some mixed feelings on how this is going to go, but hey, wish me luck. No, you're not here with me, so yeah, so that's Khophi over there. I don't know why he's just bothering himself with so much content and the rest. So this is the field we are going to be using. Yeah, it's a park over here that's Adenta community. I currently live reside at Adenta, so we're going to be using this field. It's actually the best idea if you are flying a drone for the very first time, so you don't have any sort of obstacles in your way. So it's likely I'll be getting my drone a bit dirty, but hey, that's okay. Let's see how today is going to go. Okay, so as you can see, I'm powering things up, and this is the drone. So that is his. What drone is that?
Mine is the Mavic Air.
That's a Mavic.
Well, that's
Air.
basically the first generation of
The Mavic
Air series.
Oh, okay, I see. Not bad. All right, cool, pretty cool in here. So
That's such a giant.
yeah, I'm going to have my first flight. So let's see how it's going to go. Yeah.
Come on.
One.
Come on. You are kidding me, right? You use that.
Oh, nice. So
Wow, this thing sounds.
okay, over here. So yeah. Okay, so I think I need to be some meters away from the drone. Charlie, I'm going up. So that's the drone up in the sky. I don't know if you can see it. So yeah.
Yes.
So I think I've spent about 20 plus minutes, practicing, and I'll say I'm not that bad. This is my first time, and at least I'm doing some awesome moves and the rest. It's pretty cool. So that's the drone over there, and yeah, I'm trying to.
I don't know how this works, but mine was so annoying. The Mavic Air, some spaces you can go through, you will go through, it won't let you. Other times, it will indicate that there's an obstacle, but then it won't allow you to fly, neither will it come back.
level is low. It's 40% and it's landed automatically. I must say it was a pretty cool experience flying for the very first time. And yeah, so
the reasons behind blades and their sizes and stuff like that, and the pitch. This one seems to have a bigger pitch than that. It's got this wing tips also, which I believe should help with aerodynamics and increase efficiency. So this thing has been reworked in a way that is amazing, and it's really exciting to see such improvement in this Mavic Air lineup. This is definitely something I will buy, and one of the biggest features I loved about this, which I couldn't try here at the moment, is the HDR mode. I was hoping we will get some sunlight where we can shoot the landscape plus the skies and still have the sun in shot, well exposed, the clouds plus the landscape. But today the weather is really cloudy. And
so yeah, this has been my first test on the Mavic Air 2. It's actually my first time also flying a drone, and it feels very cool. At least I was able to get some of the basics right, and yeah, I'm looking forward to be able to improve my flight skills and the rest. And hopefully you should be looking out for some amazing footage and pictures from me, especially through my drone. So I'm going to try one more time. I've got 2 spare batteries which are full. Going to try one more and see how it's going to go, and then after that I'll be out of here. So this is my first flight session with my DJI Mavic Air 2 drone. So this is the final video. We are currently about leaving here. It was actually a good day. I have learned a lot of things from Khophi in terms of flying. He has been doing it for some time now, so it's actually good to have him tutor me on some few things. So I would say you should be looking forward to some aerial footage, or drone shots from me. And I don't know how it's going to look, but it looks like I'm really prepared for the future, and I feel it's going to get very great. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.